Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Oh, welcome. My Ipsy came today, so we are going to open it up, so keep watching to see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. This is the inside of the box. So again, I have my phone here, and I am going to tell you what I picked, what was an add-on, because I do have an add-on, and what Ipsy chose for me. First is this Laura Geller Laura's Essentials palette, and this has soft satins, 6 matte eyeshadows, and 2 highlighters. So as you can tell, Starlight is busted, but that's okay. I could fix it. I can press it. It looks very salvageable, but this palette looks really pretty. I really like the matte shades. I think these mattes are just right up my alley. They're super neutral and boring, but I think I'm gonna love this palette. Next, we have this Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I actually got this forever ago, maybe like a year or two ago, from Buzz Agent, and I loved it. It's a toner. It sounds really confusing because it's a soothing treatment lotion, but it's a toner. I loved this, so when I saw I was getting this, I was so excited. Next up is this Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Scalp Serum. I picked this out. This sounds really good. It is good for dandruff control. It's scalp soothing, repairs your hair, volumizing, and anti-hair loss. So all that kind of sold me, especially the volumizing and anti-hair loss. Next up is the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. This was another thing that I picked. It's another hair care product. I'm just trying to do better with my hair. I really like Amika's dry shampoo. It is my absolute favorite thing in the world. So I thought I'd try this. And reading the back, you can use this on dry or wet or damp hair, and you don't have to rinse it out in the morning. So this sounds like it's going to be my new best friend. Next up is this Tres Luce Dolce Vita palette. I picked this out as well. I saw this and I was like, I need this because look at these colors. They are stunning, and the packaging is so cute. I love it. I have another palette from this brand and I absolutely loved it, and I'm really excited to try this one out. And last is my add-on. It's the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. It is so little. It was like $3.50, but it's just so cute, and I just love lip oils right now, and I just thought this would smell really good. Oh wow, that's a lot. It smells light and watermelony. Oh, I like this though. And that is it for my September Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm really excited for all these products this month. Even though the Laura Geller palette came a little broken, that's okay. I'm going to press it this weekend and it'll be good as new. I'm really excited to try the hair care products, and I'm also excited that I got a product that I've used before and that I know I love. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. Those are always linked down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!